How to hide apps on Android phone. So if for some reason you need to hide specific apps on your device, I'm going to show you 4 easy ways how you can do this. Let's get started. First way is to disable the app. So let's go ahead and open settings. From here, scroll through the list until you will see apps section. And then just find an app you wish to hide. For example, let's say I want to hide Google. So I'm just going to tap on it. And on the bottom, we need to choose disable. Then confirm by tapping it again. And after that, your app will be hidden from your app screen. So to use it again, what you're going to do is you're going to just go back in the same tab, choose enable, and then tap to open. Now, the second method is to go back in the same setting, but here we are interested in the home screen tab. So we're going to choose option hide apps on home and app screens. Now you will see your all apps as well and choose what app you want to hide. Let's hide Telegram, so I'm gonna pick it and tap done. And now, if I open my home screen, I will not find Telegram here. Let's try to search for it. And yep, no result. And if you want to access this app and open, just go back in the settings, find home screen, then again find hide apps. And on the top, you will see list of your hidden apps. Just tap the minus to unhide. Or a better way is to go in your apps section itself. From here, find Telegram. And on the bottom, you will see the option to open it. Now, what we're going to do next is the third way how we can do this is we can create additional app pages. So what do I mean is you can just press and hold the app in the app drawer and drag it to different page in the list. Now continue doing this like that. With one app, you can create one page, so it is enough to place just one app to the new page. And now when someone will try to find my screen recorder app, for example, here or she will need to swipe left all the way to the end of my pages. So this is also the option how you can hide apps. And the last one is, of course, to set a PIN code, pattern, or password. So just tap on settings, scroll down to the lock screen, tap on screen lock and biometrics, and set either a PIN code, password, or pattern as your lock screen type. I'm going to choose pattern, droid, confirm. And now if I want to share my password with someone else, no one will be able to access my apps. So this is also the option how you can hide apps. But I prefer the option with hiding apps on apps and home screens. And that's it. Don't forget to hit subscribe to see more useful content.